book turkey, you'll need a book, which we have provided for you, a ruler, pencil, and an X-Acto knife or a blade of some kind. So we're going to go ahead and open our book, and lengthwise go ahead and place your ruler down and divide it in half. So we have about 9 inches here, so 4.5. Go ahead and make a nice long line there. And we're going to go ahead and cut pages in half. And we're going to do this for the entire book. So you'll need to remove half of the pages on every page. So once you have all of your pages cut, you're going to have kind of a rough edge here, and you've got all of your leftover pages. We're going to start making the first set of plumage here. Don't throw away your other pages, because we're going to use those to make the other stand-up feathers. So go ahead and take your first page and have the pages kind of facing upward. And go ahead and take that page, and don't fold all the way to the end there. Fold until it reaches the bottom. And give it a good fold there. And you're going to do that for all the remaining pages. And as you can see, they're starting to kind of stand up in that fan position there. And if things start to get a little bulky, it's always good to take like a rubber band, or even like a binder clip if you have it, or a chip clip, something to just kind of hold those pages back so they don't get in your way. So once you have all of your pages folded, you can see I used a rubber band here because it's pretty heavy duty to hold back all of those pages, but go ahead and remove it. As you can see, it kind of just naturally fans itself out like that. So let's go ahead and set that aside and take some of our paper. I like having the ones with the word on it. And go ahead and make a slight fold in half. Don't fold the whole sheet. It just kind of helps to make that nice spiral. So just kind of curve it in. And depending on how tight you want your feathers, go ahead and grab some tape. And then just go ahead and tape that down. So I'll show you again here. Go ahead and just kind of fold it slightly. And this just kind of helps get you started on that roll. Few more. Okay, so once you have a good amount of feathers made up here, you can go ahead and start sticking them to the back of our book. So this is where I would recommend getting a stronger glue. Unfortunately, Elmer's glue takes too long to dry and it doesn't quite hold up. So if you have a hot glue gun, great. Maybe tape would work. As you can see, we're going to be sticking them, start from the bottom, go all the way around. And we'll do a couple different layers. So we'll probably need to make more feathers. So for your turkey head, go ahead and feel free to cut it out, and then you can either tape it or glue it together. And then we'll just kind of rest right into the center of your design. So as always, feel free to send us your finished craft projects to ask@tadl.org. We'd love to see them. And stay tuned for more.